Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix loud noise from MOVA Z60 Ultra while cleaning. There are basically three things. One of them is not an issue of the robot, it's just a setting to adjust. Maybe you just have the suction power set too high and it's making suction power noise. In that case, you may want to go to the app, click on the button in the bottom left corner, and then make sure the suction power is set to an appropriate level. Now, of course, that's not always the issue. You may want to clean the carpet sensor, the main brush, and the filter. Let's do all of them. So first let's do the first two. Lift the robot, like flip it over, and then use a microfiber cloth to clean the carpet sensors. If you're cleaning them, also clean the the cliff sensor so the robot doesn't fall down the stairs. And now let's clean the main brushes. There may be something stuck in there, so press on these two buttons, squeeze them together, remove the cover and remove the main brush. Now see if there's anything stuck in there. There's this hole right here, and see if there's nothing in there. But also look for the like something wrapped around the main brush. You may want to remove some excess hair if it gets stuck on it by cutting it with a knife or scissors. And now you'll find the orange and gray dot on hole on the inside and the orange and gray part. So you should put them in the correct way and then close the cover. Now it's important to close it properly because it may also cause some noise if it's not properly seated. So first insert the notches, these ones that are at the top, towards the front. Slide them in properly, then click the bottom part with the buttons, and now ensure that if you're moving the cover, it moves also with this part on the side, like it moves, it's just synchronized, so the cover itself doesn't move, the whole mechanism has to move. Now the last thing that you may want to try to do is to clean the filter, and in order to do it, open the cover on top of the robot, then remove this dust box by squeezing the button right here and pulling it up. Now open it with this button, remove the filter and rinse it with water. Also empty the dust box, maybe there's something like a big particle stuck in there. But yeah, clean the filter, rinse it with water. But if you're rinsing it with water, let it air dry for at least 24 hours before putting it back in to make sure that there's no moisture, so it prevents mold, because you probably don't want mold on your filter. Filter is there to to let out fresh air without any mold and stuff like that, and that should help you. If none of that did, then you may need to contact the after-sales service for further assistance. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.